Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here to just quickly discuss a few things about Thursdays. I had told you I was going to be uploading Kid of the Month videos, but I still haven't received my June kit. I contacted the company and it was a glitch in the system. So she said I contacted the company for two reasons. I need to change my credit card information to a different credit card, as well as ask them where my June kit was, and this was on a Monday. So we were already in July. So the receptionist took my information, and the customer service person emailed me and said, I don't know what happened. We have a new system, but the good thing is you can order last month's kit at a discount because you are a club member. And I was like, yeah, that's great. And everyone has 4th of July sales, right? And they have coupons and they have all kinds of wonderful stuff that you can get. And when you are a club member or a kit member or whatever you want to call it, you get a few perks like free shipping, you get a certain amount of money towards, different things. So I was like, yeah, I'll go online and see if I want to order a few things because I have like 1,000 other kits in my on my wish list. And $25 beats $52, or $26 beats $52 any day, right? So I was gonna get it, but something's wrong with my membership information, and they're not open, or the customer service agent has out of office saying that she won't be back until Monday, which is rightfully so. Some people take 4th of July very, very seriously. They like to spend time with their loved ones, and I cannot knock her for doing that or experiencing that or whatever. But I have decided that I'm having too much issues, too many problems with the not the company, just the whole idea of doing a kid of the month from one company. I have subscribed to another company to see how they do with their mailing and everything. So I wanted to tell you that I will not be doing just one kid of the month um, from a company. I don't like the stamp. I got this from online and I just thought it was so beautiful. It's supposed to look like this. And either I don't know how to stamp, which is very possible, or something is wrong with the thing. This is my second time stamping it out. I did stamp it with this one and it came out okay. And it kind of looks dusty in the video, not the video, in the previews anyway. And it's just a plain stamp. It's just a big flower, which I like flower stamps because so many of the people that I interact with like flowers. And I thought this would be a cute little thing, but apparently Brandy can't apply ink or something's wrong. I do have it on the correct side, so it's leaving an impression, just not a very good one. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I won't be doing that company in my kit of the month every Thursday like I was showcasing it. And no, I'm not paid for it from them anyway. I think if I was a part of their affiliation, I would have gotten all of my kits. I would have got the kit by now. But because I pay my own money with all the stuff that I do, I can choose not to do that. But I just wanted to let you know that I will be doing some type of something that's like set up versus just random. Or I could do just random. Just leave me a comment in the comment section letting me know what how you feel about it. Were you really looking forward to just seeing those stamps showcased on Thursdays on the channel? And if you were, I do apologize, but I'm paying my money and I just don't feel like I've been treated well. Even though they did nothing wrong, she was apologetic. Whenever you have a new system in place, you will have glitches, and sometimes in glitches you lose customers. I'm not going to stop purchasing from them, and I don't think I'm going to cancel my subscription yet, but the writings are on the wall. I don't think that I'll keep them for a long time, but we'll see because they do have beautiful stamps. See, right here is the problem that I'm having. I can see that it's not stamping out. I have to, put some weight on it. Anyway, that's all I had to tell you all. Um, I guess I'll be making another video right after this video. But I just want to get it recorded and posted. Until next time, happy crafting.